Hey guys, what's going on? Emilio here. So today is my time to unbox a new old stock Downlight. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, this is new old stock Morler LED Downlight. LED spotlight, energy saving up to 90%. As you can see, I bought this about 5 ringgit only. Very cheap. Never been used before. New old stock. Side. This is 3 watt only. 3000K means warm white. Old stock Morler LED Spotlight Edition. 3 watt. It says daylight. This is not true. The actual is warm white. Very nice. So let's unbox. Wow. It comes with LED driver. Metal, plastic. As you can see, the bulb is yellow color. It means warm white. Fully plastic, can adjust. This is the LED driver, same brand, Morler LED. And now I'm going to install wiring and test the light. Let's go. Alright, so this is the place that I'm going to install the wiring. But before that, so here's the downlight and my previous RGB LED bulb with this track holder. This is the old wiring. I did this very long time ago and it still works. The bulb also works, but the color just turned to yellow because it's too old. Very nice. So here's the wire. Here's the plug wall. Actually, it has one code, 2 color of wire different. Let me show you for the example. At the back of this wall plug, it has 3 different of code. The right side is N for neutral, L for life, E for earth. For the color code of the N neutral is for the black or blue. For the life, red or brown. For the earth is yellow or green. But this wire, it has 2 wire only. So for the earth, no need, just for the life and neutral. Let me show you the inside. My screwdriver. It has a black and red. Like I said just now, for the black color is for the neutral, black or blue. And for the red, right side, just beside of the fuse, this is called fuse. The life, red or brown. Let's put it back. And if you're not sure, you can see this driver. For the wire, it has a neutral and life. So make sure this both white color and the code connected to the same wire code. Alright, so now I'm going to remove this wire connector from the old track light, moving to this new downlight wire. Let's go. This thing called wire connector. Alright, so now let's install on the new downlight. But before that, make sure you remember the color codes and look on this neutral and life. Neutral is black. Inside slowly. Live wire to the red or brown. Alright, then connect the wire successfully, no problem. Very nice. So here's the downlight, already connected to the wire, wall plug. Let's test the light. Let's go. The light is working, as you can see. No problem. Yellow color. Wow, so bright. Successfully installed the wiring from my old wire into the new downlight. Wow, looks great, very bright. Turn it off. Very nice. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unboxing and installing a wiring new downlight in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Take care very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.